Hey everyone, doing a review on this Nylea professional tweezers set and nail clippers for men and women. Um, so just started right off here. This was a pretty good purchase price, I thought. You have crazy amounts of tweezers here. I think this is little scissors, pretty precise there, a nail file, and then a small and large nail clippers. Um, so I've used quite a few nail clippers and stuff, Revlon, different quality ones, and these ones are, I mean, you can tell the quality. They snip right through the nails without effort. They seem to be really sharp. They don't leave like some nail clippers you used. They'll leave like roughness on your nail or something. It'll feel weird. Like when you cut with these, you don't really have to use the nail file at all, from my experience. Um, Other clippers I've used, it's like the nails feel all weird and they're like the cut just doesn't feel very good. It almost feels like it's kind of mangling your nail instead of cutting through it precisely. But with these, yeah, I didn't have that problem at all. They were really worked really well. Um, it has shoot, looks like one, two, yeah, three, four, five tweezers. They have different faces on them here. I'm going to show them to you. I'm going to pull a little plastic. Well, I'll just show them to you. It's got a little plastic guard on there, and pull it off there, and it opens, and you could. Oh, my camera's not the greatest. I'm gonna take another camera, but you can see like when they squeeze together here, it's very precise. It goes together the whole way. Um, and so you got this one, this shape here. I'm not a someone that uses tweezers like a ton, so I don't really know. This one just looks like it's flat straight across. The other one had a slight angle. Once again, when it comes together there, very precise, very precise. These just feel quality. This one is at an angle here. You can see that it's at an angle, um, and once again it comes together. Look at that. Look how that comes together. It's like precise all the way across. Um, there's one here. Get out of here. Sorry. This case is really nice too. This one is just like, I guess for tweezing maybe individual hairs. It comes together almost like at a point there. So maybe just like pulling like a solitary angry nose hair or ear hair or eyebrow hair or something that you want to have there. This one, I think it's a mustache brush, maybe, or beard. I don't know. It's got a cool little like metal brush on one end, and then it's got kind of like an angled tweezer with like a kind of wide end there. Anyway, they all feel quality made. They all yeah, they just have like, I don't know, they just feel quality. I don't know. And the nail clippers, you got the toenail clippers. They're big. They're like pretty heavy duty feeling. When you snip with them, it's just like, yeah, just no problem. It just like cuts right through toenails, no problem. And once again, it just feels like it's quality made. Um, Same with the fingernail clippers. I I just use these, and on my fingernails, it cut through them all like no problem, and really smooth. I didn't have to even use a nail file because it just felt like they weren't all messed up or anything. Here's the nail file as well. I mean, if you want to use it, it works really good. Really like smooth stuff down quickly. Once again, it feels like just quality. And then you have these little pair of scissors here. And I don't know if you can hear that, but you can hear how like tight fitting they are. And once again, I don't use all these things a ton. I'm not a super big like tweezer guy or something like that. But this set, the case, it has all these little loops. They fit right in here. It snaps together. like, you know, this case just feels like quality too. And like I said, the price, $14.99 for all these things. And the case just opens right up, snaps, opens right up. Nice feeling case, nice looking case. So yeah, I recommend this, like, totally. It just feels like it feels solidly made. We've had them for a while now, and I live in a coastal area where there's a lot of humidity and stuff tends to rust pretty quickly. I've not noticed like any rust on these at all. None. So that says something in the area where I live. So yeah, I would recommend these. The tweezers, the clippers, this whole little set is really handy. Got a lot of really good tools in there, and yeah, just feels like it's really quality made. So that's a review on the Nylea. I hope I'm saying that right. Nylea professional tweezer set and clippers. So appreciate you watching all. Yeah, it's got my thumbs up on it. I'm gonna try and keep making some of these videos. Hopefully it's helpful. I'm gonna try and keep adding information and stuff. Trying to get better at it. But yeah, on the couple I've done so far, just trying to do the best I can. Trying to give the most information I can. And anyway, I hope that helped. Thanks for watching, everyone. Goodbye.